Hi guys, welcome for a new tutorial. This is Mike. So today we see a new tutorial, so it will be all about music. I hope we have some musician here today and with some musician who likes them. So to be honest with you, I've been trying to learn how to play guitar for years, so I haven't getting started. I started, but I haven't finished. But today this is what we try to do. We try to play some music with the BBC micro:bit we have here. So this is a board, specialized for electronics. Kids can play with it. So you have to push buttons on it. We have a bunch of LEDs, so you can more or less draw whatever you want, but it's not too hard to understand. Like you can draw letters, you can draw numbers, you can do all type of things on it, make animations. When you turn it on it, you have the other components on it. You have a compass on it, you have a magnetometer on it, you have a speaker on it, and you have other components too. I can't remember all of them, but yeah, you do have a couple of things on it, and you have pins, so you have a connector you can connect on it and add more sensors and things like that on it. But as I said before, today we try to play some music here. And as I said to you, you have a speaker on it, but I show you also how to connect another speaker on it. So this is a buzzer, not really the best of speaker, but it does make the job. For those of you who were kids in the 90s, you remember you have your Game Boy, and he had a buzzer in it, making some funny sounds like this one. So it's not that sophisticated, but it works. And I connect it with the cables, from the pins we have here. All right, guys. So now this is what we're about to do. Now we're going to switch to the screen. I show you how to code this little boy here, little guy here. All right, guys. Let me switch the screen for you. Alright, so you're here, so you need to go on Google, as you can see here, and from there, you type BBC micro:bits. Not Halloween, type this one, since it's not Halloween yet. And you pick the first one, the one that says micro:bit.org. You pick this one. So you're right here, so you click on Let's Code, just like this. And from there, you scroll down a little bit and you click on go to MakeCode editor. Let's go. Alright then. So now you click on new project and you call this one music player. Music player. Voila. Create. And it should load there for you. Alright then, guys, so as I said, I like to say, I like to put a little icon here showing that the board is working. Sometimes you can fall on a board that's not actually working and you don't know what's really happening. So for me that's a way to debug it. Alright, and from there I wait like 2 seconds. There we go. 2 seconds. Voila. There we go, guys. And now what we do, we go to music. It's pretty simple to do, and we click on play a melody. And and I want to also be able to hear it. For that, I go back to music. I said music, not this. We go back to music, and we click on set volume. And let's put it at the maximum, and we can go from there. Okay, guys, so now we need to play a melody. I'm not too good with that, like 100 bit per minute. I think that's like, we're doing like two times a second if my memory is good. All right, but I let you play with all of that if you're a musician or not, so you can have fun with that. But this is where we need to play a melody. Alright, so let me do. When you click on the squares there, it plays a sound. Alright, let me play it, girl. Oh man, I wanna go to sleep now. I don't think I'm gonna finish the tutorial for you guys. Alright, let me click on done. So now it's more or less finished. And alright, let me remove it from here. So let me stop the noise. You see here, guys, we put you see here, guys, we put a little let it load. We put two cables here for you guys. Let me reduce the noise, the sound, I mean. We put the connection here for you guys, so you can connect it to a headphone. But I just use the browser I showed you before to connect it to it. So this is what we try to do. But first, before I do that, before I connect it with the wires and the buzzer, what I will need to do, I will need to upload it. So you go here, guys, and you click on I need to. Alright, first you need to connect it to the computer. I haven't done that yet. So this is what I do. I click on next, and I click here on download as a file. You can do it this way too, but you know, I just with download as a file. This is how I used to do it. So anyway, click on done. So, and you go to your download file. You go to your download file, you copy it, and when you connect that board to your computer, it's like a USB drive actually. It works like a USB drive. So you copy this and you paste it in the file. It will ask you, are you sure you want to copy this file without its properties? You click on yes. Alright, so now this is what I do now. Let me switch the screen for you guys, so you can see what I'm doing over there. Turn this on. There we go. Now it should be more or less done, guys. Here you have the board. You connect it to the computer, so you have energy. And you see the giraffe here for 2 seconds. And after that, it should be playing after that. So I was saying to you guys, you have a buzzer on this one, a smaller version of this buzzer we have here, the 2 pins on this board. And now what I want to do, let me disconnect this. I want to connect it as well with the buzzer, like this. See what I want to do. Alright. So we have it like this. And now we will play it on this buzzer. So you will play it there, and you will play it also here. Alright. So I connected, and we should get started, guys. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to switch it. Now it's coming from this also. That's a lot of noise, guys. Alright, guys. How do you like the project? So it's fun, you know. So if you know about music, so you can code it yourself, you know, and make some nice melody. Take your time and do the right chords and have it some nice nice music out of it. not like me. Alright guys, so simple tutorial, funny, and I really hope you enjoy it guys. So please give it a like, leave some comments, if you have any questions, any concerns. Share the video with someone you think will like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial. Bye bye.